Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the Asus VivoBook. I picked this up, just a cheap laptop. I need a Windows with Wi-Fi for a couple things, and my PC does not have Wi-Fi, so I picked this up for just a couple things, which will be actually in a later video. You guys will see what I'm doing. It's actually for my iPad, ironically enough. So, picked this thing up, it was like $360. Pretty cheap, but specs aren't terrible. See, so we're going to pop this puppy open. Not flap. Alright, so here it is right here, 15.6 inch screen, 8 gigs of RAM, Ryzen 3, 128GB SSD, so pretty decent specs for the price. Like I said, I wasn't looking for anything amazing. I just need to run a couple programs and, you know, like a web browser. So here it is. Let's see. So we've got the Ryzen 3 with the Radeon Vega 3 graphics. Ergo lift hinge, so it props it up a little bit, which is nice. Nano edge display, USB Type-C. So we've got two USBs here. And then we've actually got a micro SD card slot, headphone jack, looks like headphone and microphone, USB-C, HDMI, and I think that is a Type 3, the other ones are 2. That's actually a 3.1, and your power port right there. So again, pretty decent ports and specs for the price. We'll try it out and see how it performs, and I'll maybe do a review on it. Ooh, the power brick is actually kind of nice. Just one compact little unit there, so that's what you get in the box. That is the Asus VivoBook, 15.6 inch, like I said, 128GB SSD, 8 gigs of RAM, and a Ryzen 3 processor with Vega 3 graphics. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.